With the rapid advancements in AI tools, building a professional website has become faster and easier than ever before. This video explores how AI has progressed in recent years and how it simplifies the entire website building process. Let's get started. Building a website has always been a complex and time-consuming task. The high costs, resource requirements, and technical expertise needed can make it seem like a challenging task. But guess what? Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, the process is now more accessible than ever. You'll experience a new level of convenience and efficiency with ChatGPT user-friendly interface and advanced features. ChatGPT is a unique AI tool that stands out because of its natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. It can understand your queries and provide you with contextually appropriate responses, making your interactions more conversational and engaging. And the most exciting part, ChatGPT can write and correct code in various languages. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT can assist you in website development, eliminating the need for extensive programming knowledge. This makes it an ideal tool, especially if you're a beginner looking to build a website without worrying about complex coding. ChatGPT features and benefits. Let's explore some of the features and benefits that make ChatGPT an excellent option for you. ChatGPT ability to write and correct code in various languages like Python, PHP, and JavaScript is a game changer for you. No matter which programming language you're working with, ChatGPT can assist you in generating code snippets and provide suggestions for improvement. It's like having a coding expert right by your side. Affordability is a key advantage of using ChatGPT. It's free to use and sign up for. And once you start using it for building websites, you remove the need to outsource the work. Lastly, ChatGPT provides you with real-time assistance and guidance throughout the website building process. Whenever you need help or have a question, ChatGPT is there for you. Its interactive nature ensures a smooth and engaging experience, even if you're a beginner. Now that you're familiar with ChatGPT's incredible features, let's set up an account together. To start, visit chat.openai.com. Once there, simply click on the Try ChatGPT button to log in or create a new account. If you're new to ChatGPT, enter your email address and password in the provided fields and click Continue. A verification request will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your email and click on the Verify Email Address button to proceed. Next, you'll be directed to OpenAI account onboarding page. Here, you'll need to input your name and date of birth. Next, enter your phone number for verification. OpenAI will now send a verification code to your phone number via WhatsApp or SMS. Enter the verification code in the field provided to confirm your phone number. Congratulations! You're now officially a part of the ChatGPT community. Let's discuss two essential components of website creation: your domain name and hosting plan. These elements play a crucial role in establishing your online presence. Let's quickly explore what they are and how they help you. First, let's discuss your domain name. Domains are basically the address a user types into their browsers to visit your site. Ideally, you'd want a domain that's short, brandable, and of course, available. To check the availability of your ideal domain, simply type that domain on a checker like this one. Take your time to brainstorm ideas and find the perfect name for your website. Now, let's move on to hosting. The right hosting plan can mean the difference between a good website and a poor performing one. And of course, we recommend going for Bluehost. Bluehost offers top-notch hosting services with a range of affordable and reliable hosting plans that cater to websites of all sizes. And if you're a WordPress user, you'll get the chance to work with a hosting provider that's recommended by WordPress themselves. By teaming up with Bluehost, you also unlock a world of benefits and opportunities. Lightning-fast website loading speeds. Check. Robust security measures to protect your valuable data. Check. Exceptional customer support there for you 24/7. check and double check. Bluehost has got it all covered. So why wait? Let ChatGPT and Bluehost be your dynamic duo in building robust and professional websites today. Now, let's learn how to set up and customize your website with ChatGPT. To start, ask ChatGPT to provide a simple website outline with at least 4 important pages. The AI model will now present you with a simple outline along with some brief explanations of the web page content. Also, you can take these recommendations a step further to tailor them to your specific website. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate essential elements for your website's homepage, such as the hero title, tagline, and call to action (CTA) button. As you see, you can streamline the process of creating an engaging homepage. Just provide the necessary details in the prompt, and ChatGPT will generate the elements you need. Let's now customize your WordPress theme to make it uniquely yours. If you're not sure which WordPress theme to choose, ChatGPT can recommend some based on your preferences. Just ask for theme suggestions, and it'll help you find the perfect one. Now, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Appearance, then Themes. Next, click on Add New at the top of the page and search for your desired theme. Once you find it, hit Install and then Activate. Here comes the fun part. ChatGPT can give you recommendations on how to customize your chosen theme. You can tweak your website colors, fonts, and layout options based on its suggestions. Go back to the theme page in your WordPress admin dashboard and use the built-in theme editor. Click on the Customize button under the selected theme to access a range of customization options. Let's say you want to change the color scheme and font. Click on the Style button and a side panel will appear with customization options. From there, you can choose a pre-made template or manually adjust each design element. To modify the color palette, click on Colors and select the desired colors for each element. For font adjustments, click on Typography and choose the page element you want to modify, such as font type, size, style, and line height. If you're unsure about the changes you have made, don't worry. You can always click the Reset button to revert to the default settings. Let us now customize your homepage with the help of ChatGPT. To start, browse the section where ChatGPT generated text for your hero title, website tagline, and call to action button. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and select Pages, then All Pages. Scroll down to explore the options. Select the home template as you want to customize the front page. Replace the existing header block with the generated hero message. Paste the hero message from ChatGPT and adjust its appearance to match your vision. Next, paste the tagline suggestion from ChatGPT. You can modify its appearance to make it complement the hero message. Add a call to action button to finalize your homepage customization. Replace any unnecessary blocks with a call to action block and choose the desired design. Apply ChatGPT suggestions for an engaging button design. Once you've placed all the elements on your homepage, preview your changes by clicking the View button. Also check how your website appears on different devices and adjust accordingly. When you're happy with your customizations, save your changes and move on to the next step. Let us now create other pages for your WordPress website, like your About Us page. It's easier with ChatGPT now assisting you along the way. Create a new page in the WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages and select Add New. You can then ask ChatGPT to generate the copy for your About Us page. Once done, copy and paste the response into the new page and apply edits as needed. You can also create various website content, such as blog posts, product descriptions, and FAQ pages. Just provide ChatGPT with a brief and let it generate the text for you. Here's an example. Let's say you're writing a blog post about top marketing strategies. You can ask the AI model to write an introduction for your blog post, an outline, or the entire article itself. As you see, ChatGPT can help you save time and effort, by generating high-quality text tailored to your specific needs. Try adding an image to make the page more visually appealing. Click the plus icon in your preferred location and search for the image block. Choose an image from your media library or upload a new one. You can also adjust the image settings as you see fit. ChatGPT can also provide suggestions for your website's header and footer. For the header, consider adding a navigation menu. Access the theme editor and find the navigation block. You can manually create a new menu to align with ChatGPT website outline. Similarly, for the footer, replace the existing paragraph block with links to your social media accounts. Add a new block for social icons and manage the order and links for each icon. Awesome! You've now created a beautifully customized website by incorporating ChatGPT suggestions. AI tools like ChatGPT are relatively new, so take some time to familiarize yourself with how they work. Here are some tips to help you make the most of ChatGPT. When you're asking ChatGPT a question, try to keep it clear and concise. The simpler, the better. Just a few sentences should do the trick. You want to make sure ChatGPT understands exactly what you're asking for. Here's a cool thing. Good grammar and spelling actually help ChatGPT understand you better. Take some time to double-check your prompt and make sure everything's on point. It'll make ChatGPT responses even more accurate. ChatGPT is awesome at answering specific questions. Instead of asking something too broad or open-ended, try to narrow it down. The more specific your question, the better the response you'll get. Remember, ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool, but it does have its limits. That's where human moderation and editing come in. So use ChatGPT as your trusty assistant, but don't forget to bring in some human touch to fine-tune and get the best results. And there you have it. We've shown you how to create a professional website using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. With the power of AI, website building becomes accessible and efficient for you. And remember, with ChatGPT by your side, you can build stunning websites in no time. Get more WordPress and other website building tips by subscribing to this channel. To learn more about Bluehost and our products, you can visit the link down below. Happy website building, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials.